Before performing a test with the GSI Novus, take some time to familiarize yourself with the instrument. The Novus is powered by a rechargeable battery that is charged by placing the Novus in the power cradle. It takes 5 hours to fully charge the battery. It's good practice to place the instrument in the cradle when not in use. A fully charged battery will perform approximately 50 ABR tests and 150 OAE tests. It is possible to perform tests when the Novus is charging in the cradle. To turn on the GSI Novus, press and release the Home button on the front of the device. Depending on the security settings, a user login may be required. From the home screen, you can add a new patient, select a patient from a list that is stored on the Novus, or perform a quick test. Press New Patient to enter new patient to the Novus device. Required fields are outlined in orange and must be filled in order to proceed with testing. When the required patient demographics are entered, testing can proceed immediately. Press Select Patient to view the list of patients saved on the Novus. Scroll through the available patients using the up and down arrows on the display menu, or search for the patients by pressing the magnifying glass icon. When the patient is found and selected, the Novus will move to the patient information screen. Take a moment or two to verify the details of the patient to reduce the risk of medical error. If the patient has not been tested, it is possible to edit the patient information. When a patient has been selected, the Novus is ready to perform the test. From the patient selection screen, press the Start button on the lower left of the display menu. If your Novus has more than one test type, a Select Test screen may appear. Select the test type you wish to perform to proceed.